This is Lara. Lara is 8 years old and she loves playing with Playmobil. But once in a while, something gets broken and that makes everyone very sad. But it's not as bad as you think. We can fix it very easily with plasma from the piezo brush. Working with the piezo brush is simple and safe. We move the plasma beam over the parts that we want to glue. Now they are activated with plasma and the bonding with glue will be extremely good. All we have to do now is put on the gloves and we can start gluing the parts together. With the plasma activation, all you need is a few drops of glue and a bit of pressure. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Is the bond really strong enough? Lo and behold, the gluing worked perfectly and the leather is as good as new. Well, Lara, what do you think now?
Plasma